Good morning, ninth class. I think you all have completed your test and hope you have done well. Okay, let us see the test what I have given. I have given you the test of the poem that we have done, and it was the road note taken. So I have taken one stanza from the poem and I have asked question on the basis of that. And the stanza is, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So my first question was, name the poem of the above stanza. Second, name the poet of the poem. Third, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Fourth, where is the poet standing? 5. Why did he feel sorry? 6. What is the meaning of diverged? 7. What do you mean by yellow wood? 8. True or false? The poet chose the path less traveled by the people. Then question number 9, fill in the blank. And be one traveller long I dash. And the 10th number, complete the sentence to where it bent. Okay. Now see. Let us match the answer what you have done. See now. The first question. Name the poem of the above stanza. And the poem you know very well. It is the road not taken. Clear? Now second. Name the poet of the poem. Who is the poet? It is none other than Robert Frost. If by chance you have done the spellings wrong, then your marks half will be deducted. Give only half number. In the name of the poem also, in the name of the poet also. Clear? Then third. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Rhyme scheme you know very well. Let us see once in the test. See. Rhyme scheme. When we see the rhyme scheme, we check the last word of every line. Then we see what is the sound of the last word. The last words are yellow wood. In second, travel both. Wood and both are totally different. Then it is A and B. Now come to the stood. Wood and stood are same. Then again it is A. And then would and could are also same. Then it is also again A. So what is your rhyme scheme? A, B, A. Clear to everyone? A, B, A. Would both stood could. Would both stood could. Then it is A, B, A. The same is written in the answer. See? A, B, A. Now see your question number 4. Where is the poet standing? So what do you think? Where is the poet? When he is talking about the yellow woods, then he must be in a forest. He must be in a forest or in a jungle, or we can write in yellow wood. Then 5 number. Why did he feel sorry? Why did the poet feel sorry for what? He felt sorry because he could not travel both the roads. Because he can go only one road. He can go on only one road. So he felt sorry that I could not travel both the roads. Then 6th number, what is the meaning of diverged? Diverged means divided. What is the answer? Divided. Then 7. What do you mean by yellow wood? Yellow wood means the leaves were yellow due to autumn season. Though it is woods, it is jungle, but the leaves had turned yellow because the season was autumn, and in autumn season the trees turned yellow. Then number 8, true or false? The poet chose the path less traveled by the people. Very less people were going through that path. He chosen that, and it is the right answer. The poet is very courageous and he wanted to choose the way that is less traveled by the people. Then 9, fill in the blank. And be one traveler long I. It is the answer is stood. See in the line in the passage. Number 10, complete to where it bent in the undergrowth. You give one number to every right answer and cross when the answer is not correct. And after checking the test, you will send me with your marks. Clear to everyone? Best of luck. Have the good marks. Thank you.